Right, good day, and welcome to your AI news summary for Sunday, the 14th of September, 2025. So, today we're covering three pivotal stories: the global debate on AI governance, the EU's AI office becoming fully operational, and the US unveiling a new deregulatory AI strategy. Basically, the international artificial intelligence community is currently grappling with three critical governance decisions this month following the UN General Assembly's call for worldwide oversight panels. Nations are struggling to balance rapid innovation with collective safety, with the European Union's recently implemented AI Act already serving as a significant benchmark for global approaches. So, this debate highlights a fundamental tension between national interests, competitive pressures, and the urgent need for collective security in AI development. Well, right at the heart of this, the EU's AI office officially became operational on the 2nd of August. So, this marks a crucial milestone in enforcing the world's first comprehensive AI legal framework, particularly concerning general-purpose AI models. Mind you, while this staggered implementation creates immediate compliance challenges for businesses, it firmly establishes Europe's determination to lead global AI regulation. From AIC's perspective, this operationalization signifies a maturation of AI governance, moving from theoretical frameworks to practical enforcement. Honestly, we believe companies should view this not merely as a regulatory burden, but as a prime opportunity to build competitive advantages by demonstrating trustworthy AI practices. Basically, early compliance, in our view, is fast becoming a key market differentiator. Now, however, across the Atlantic, the White House's Comprehensive AI Action Plan, announced in July, presents a starkly different approach. Basically, this plan fundamentally reshapes America's federal AI strategy around accelerating innovation, building infrastructure, and leading international diplomacy. Right, crucially, it signals an aggressive deregulatory stance, even conditioning federal AI funding on state regulatory environments, potentially denying funds to states with what it deems burdensome AI regulations. And the plan also mandates revisions to the NIST AI risk management framework, removing language on misinformation, diversity, equity, and inclusion. AIC views this as a significant ideological shift towards market-driven AI development, prioritizing competitive advantage over comprehensive safety frameworks. To be honest, while this might accelerate innovation in the short term, the long-term implications for public trust and international cooperation remain uncertain, especially given the undefined nature of burdensome regulations. So, these contrasting approaches from the EU and the US underscore the global dilemma facing AI. The current governance debates represent a truly pivotal moment for responsible AI development. AIC believes that, whilst international cooperation is absolutely essential, any global framework must avoid becoming so bureaucratic that it stifles innovation. At the end of the day, the key will be creating flexible standards that can adapt to rapidly evolving AI capabilities, all whilst maintaining public trust and safety. Honestly, success ultimately requires genuine commitment from major AI powers, not merely superficial compliance. Well, it's clear that the future of AI is being shaped right now, with profound implications for technology, business, and society. Anyway, we'll be watching these developments closely. Right, join us tomorrow for more updates on the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. This was brought to you by AIC, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.